booty bouncing, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up guys, how you doing? Uduakutu here. Welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, it's so nice to have you here on my channel. Welcome back. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with us, for being with me, and also being a part of my community. I know I've not been here for a while. It's been a while since I came up here. I do apologize. First off, let me say happy new month to all my subscribers. Welcome to a brand new month. I hope this month, the month of May, brings so much goodness and blessings your way, guys. I've not been around for a while because a lot of things has been happening. I can't really talk about the things that has been happening right now, but sometime in future, I hope that I will be able to explain to you why I haven't been around for a while. But if you know, you know. If you know, you know. All right guys, so let's talk about why I am here. I am here to do, from the description you already know, I'm here to give you a beautiful, amazing makeup haul. Yes, so it was the 12th edition of the makeup festival, makeup fun fair or something like that. Yeah, and I've been meaning to get some certain products, so I decided to go. And while that will be in another video, I'm just going to be doing the haul and showing you everything that I got at this makeup fair. It was quite interesting. I liked it. There were a lot of brands there. It was cool, but with the fact that I am not a makeup person, safe, I really didn't know, because I thought I was going to go here with my friend who's into makeup, right? But at the end of the day, she wasn't able to make it, so I had to go alone with Clara. And I just use Ogbon. I don't know if you guys understand what that means, but I just used that to get what I was supposed to get, right? So I'm going to be showing you everything I got at this makeup haul. So let's go. All right guys, at this point, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like this and other content alongside. Please show some love by subscribing to my channel and being a part of my community. All right guys, so let's go to the first haul. We're going to be starting. My products are here. I'm just going to bring them out one by one. All right, so the first product is going to be my Zaron. I am a very big fan of Zaron. Like, I don't know makeup like that, yeah, but I love Zaron products. I think their products was one of the first ones I used and I enjoyed it. Before I came down to Trenches products, but I've always wanted to get stuff from Zaron. So let me show you what I bought at Zaron. Okay, so first off, I got this at Zaron. It's a brown skin compact powder. Yes, and I've not opened any of these products, guys. I've not opened them. I was like, let me do this haul before I come and open it. So yes, this powder is a compact brown skin powder. I think I'll put the prices, but then again, I can't really say put the price because I bought them when there was this is a fair, right? A makeup fair. So obviously the prices are not going to be the same. All right, there's discount of almost all these products. So if I tell you how much I got it, you might not find it that same price at their stores, right? So I think I'll just show you what it is. So this is a Zaron brown skin compact powder, full coverage. Yes, it's a compact powder. I am going to try and open it. Oh, I don't know if I should do that. Should I open it, guys? It's looking like going to waste time if I start opening this powder. Well, anyway, let me just open it. This is what it looks like. It's so cute though. It's actually very cute. Yeah, it's named Brownie. I like it. Brownie. So this is it. This is what it looks like inside. It's actually very pretty. So that's what it's inside. So this is the first Zaron powder that I got. What else did I get? Okay, I don't think I'm going to be opening this thing because it's going to take time. All right, so I got their liquid foundation. It's the Zaron brown skin liquid foundation, glowy matte plus medium full coverage. All right guys, this is what it looks like. The bottle is very cute, yeah, and quite pricey, guys, quite pricey, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, what else? So I also got their Skin by Zaron Acne Control Glow face wash, brightening, antibacterial. This, as you all know, from me reading itself, you already know it's not for me because my skin is fine. Right, so I got this from my sister Clara, and we want to try it out. I mean, I know Zaron products are really, really good. So and they said it was trustworthy, so we're going to be trying this. So I got this for Clara. It's a face wash. I like the color, very rosy, like, you understand. And I also got their Skin by Zaron Ultimate Glow Brightening Toner, also for Clara, not for me, because I'm a black girl. All right, so this is what it looks like. I like the colors. They're so pretty, you know, rose gold, pinkish, cute, right? All right, so these, yes, this was all I got from Zaron. They gave me this as a free gift. It's a phone holder. They gave me that as a free gift because they were out of gifts. Okay, so that's all we got from Zaron. Now let's move to let's see, who are we going to do next? Let's do the big ones. Classic. Okay guys, so let's see what's in this pretty bag. First off, I got a foundation brush from Classic. Now I use beauty blenders, but I just wanted to see what it feels like using a foundation brush. So I got this one from them. So next I got this mattifying primer from Classic. I don't know, can you see it? Like I said, it's still sealed, but let me see if I can open. Ouch, my hands. Okay, I'm gonna try. All right guys, we did it. Okay, so this is the base mattifying valet oil control primer. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It's actually very small. I think I should have gotten two. I didn't know it was this. I knew it's small, but I didn't know it was. I think I just need a little. I saw this on TikTok that it was actually very good, so I decided to buy, being that I have oily skin. So whenever I do my makeup, it creases very easily. So I got that. What's here again? I got this foundation, HD foundation from Classic. It is the Studio Finish SPF 30 HDO3, and I got this one for Clara, not for me. This is for Clara, and this is what it looks like. Let me open it to see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The bottle is actually very pretty. I like it. Okay, so I got this Classic moisturizer. So I think this is what you're supposed to put on your face before you put your primer, right? This is what it looks like. Let me open this up so we can see what is inside. Okay, fix it. It's kind of big, I think. I don't know, but yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. And we also got, what else is in here? Okay, so we got this micellar cleansing water from Classic. Yeah, so let me open this because I'm gonna use this to clean my makeup. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. I love the bottle. So for Classic products, yeah, I like how their bottles are very, very cute. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty. I like it. Is that the last thing? Oh, okay, I bought this concealer from Classic. I bought the Classic concealer. I'm gonna open this. I already tore the nylon of this one because I wanted to see what it looks like. So this is, I really like their packaging. It's cute. So this is what their concealer looks like. Okay, all right guys, so that's everything I bought from Classic. Oh my god, I'm not even done and I'm tired. Like, what is this? How you guys do this? You all be doing hauls and shit? Is this how you do it? All right guys, so let's go to the next brand. I got stuff from ZKL. I got stuff from ZKL Cosmetics. Okay, so let's see what we got from ZKL Cosmetics. I got this sealed makeup fixing spray from ZKL. I actually got this for a friend. It's not mine, actually. I got it for a friend who called me dying minute to get it for her because we're supposed to be there together, but she didn't come. Okay, I also got this Pro Mate High Definition Foundation. It is also for my friend. This is it. I think we got this for 2,000 something and we got this for 3,000 something. But like I said, this is sales, right? So I don't know how much I'm going to sell it on a normal G day. You get, Okay, so I got the Zickel Face Definer HD High Definition Highlight Contour and Bronzer. This is for me. I got this one for myself. Let me see what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Is it showing without? Wow, this is hard. Ooh, pretty. Oh my god, guys, look. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's actually so pretty, guys. But anyways, that's what we got. I think that's all I got from Zickel. Yes. Yeah. So guys, let's move to something else. Okay guys, so let's go to the next product. It is from V Beauty by Vivian Riches. So I didn't get much from her. I got this face contour, not contour, I think powder puffs. I think that's what they are called. I don't know. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This. And this is from V Beauty, right? So yeah, I got two. One is for my friend and one is for me. I also got a lip V Beauty by Vivian Riches. I got a lip pencil from her in color brown. So let me see what was it, a lip pencil? Yes, I think it was a lip pencil. Yeah guys, so this is what it is. Okay, let me do it here. There you go. This is what it looks like. Okay, so that's all we got from V Beauty. And last, ooh, no, it's not the last. I got this. This is from Muse Metics. I don't know if it's MS Metics. MS Metics. Yes, MS Metics Cosmetics. Yes. So what I got from them, I got this cotton, premium cotton pads from them. I also got this eyelashes from them. Yes, mostly for Clara because this is not my thing. Yeah, but I'm gonna try, Sha. But Clara made me buy it, guys. She did. She made me buy it. So that's all we got from MS Metics. And last but not the least, we are going to be looking at Polar Beauty. Polar Beauty. Okay, so what did I get from them? So I got pencils. I got pencils from them. They are all still sealed. Okay, I also got a waterproof smooth eyeliner pencil in black. A waterproof smooth eyeliner pencil in black. And I got a lip liner in brown. Light brown shade. Yeah. Like I said, I can't open all of it and swatch for you. But yeah, it's quite nice. And I got a free sharpener from them. Thank you guys. Thank you Polar Beauty for that. Okay, that was a lot. Woo. All right guys, that is all on my makeup haul. I hope you did enjoy it. Make sure you try out this product. Thank you guys so much for watching my makeup haul. I'm going to start doing makeup now. Practice makes perfect. So I'm going to start. I have enough stuff now, so I'm going to be practicing my makeup more, right? So if you're new into makeup and you're like me too, you're new, we can learn together, okay? So keep watching this space. I'm going to be doing some makeup try on, and then we'll see if I'm really getting this makeup thing or B, it is not my calling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to be part of my community. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. Till I see you again, have yourself a beautiful day. I love you. Mwah. Stay blessed. Bye.